You're talking with a friend about a specific pair of shoes, and 5 minutes later, an ad for those exact shoes pops up on screen. The targeting engine predicts your interests by cross-referencing your location history, search habits, and purchase data, creating the illusion of eavesdropping through sheer mathematical probability. This predictive power relies on two deeply buried system settings. These features harvest your location and daily habits in the background, which also adds a constant, unnecessary load to your battery. Disable these trackers, Android smartphone, active internet connections to your Google account. Managing your privacy doesn't require abandoning your technology. It starts with identifying and adjusting the default permissions that are active right now. Step 1 is opening the Universal Settings app on your primary control center for your phone's hardware. As different Android brands organize their menus differently, use the universal search bar at the top of the screen to find what you need. The word Google into that search bar. Option labeled Manage Your Google Account. This opens your account dashboard, the master repository where Google compiles your cross-app activity and behavioral data into a single profile. Once you see your profile name and email address, successfully moved past local device settings and into the central tracking hub. Look at the tabs near the top of the dashboard and tap on Data and Privacy. Scroll down this page until you reach the section for Personalized Ads or My Ad Center. This module translates your search history and link clicks into a profile advertisers use to target you. Switch the main toggle to Off and tap Turn Off to finalize. Disabling this toggle prevents the ad targeting engine from using your background activity to categorize your interests. Now, exit the Google dashboard and return to your main device settings menu. Locate and tap on the Location section. Avoid using the Quick Settings swipe down menu for this step. Those toggles only pause active connections. They do not reach the deeper system-level tracking we need to stop. We are looking for background scanning, a persistent tracking mechanism that runs even when standard Wi-Fi and Bluetooth appear to be turned off. Your phone uses background pings to search for nearby networks, triangulating your precise coordinates at all times. Tap Location Services, then Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning, moving both switches off. Shutting down these phantom scanners secures your physical location data and reduces the battery drain caused by constant background network searches. Check your work one last time. Ensure Personalized Ads is marked as paused, and both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning toggles are visibly grayed out. These adjustments break the link between your private behavior and the advertisers attempting to profile your daily life. Stopping these background pings also lowers the baseline power consumption of your phone's processor throughout the day. Share this protocol with anyone who is concerned about how their smartphone handles their personal information. Privacy on a modern device is a result of moving beyond the default settings and taking manual control of your hardware permissions.